city. It's
What's going on? What's going on? Hold on, I think I just switched my setting. What's going on, my boys? Alright, I'll just make sure the mic's good. Alright, hold on, I'm about to send this link to my Zoom real quick. My Zoom link to the Telegram. So if you want to join the call, talk, be my guest. All ears. Alright, hold on. Alright, everybody get right on into it. Bet. First thing we're going to do, we're going to start off by getting our 3-point outline that's going to consist of the previous day's highs and previous day's lows. So we got the previous day's low. Then we got the previous day's high right up here. Let me see if I can see what you're doing. Nope. What's going on, bro?
Hey, what's up?
What's up? What you looking at this morning?
Looking at GU shorts.
GU shorts. Yeah, we gonna see. I just got on the charts. I'm about to see what NAS is looking like. Got the previous day's high. Not sure yet. Like literally, as soon as I sent that link, that was the first time I'm looking at the charts. Then we got the 12 a.m. open right here. Let me get this Asian session also. Oh. So as of right now, everything you can see is extremely bullish. We already cleared last week's highs, which are right over here. This is last week's high, so there is a chance that we could potentially maybe retest into that area to potentially go higher, or price is going to have this false break scenario where it cleared this high, and on the higher time frame it's just waiting to have this push back to the downside. But in my opinion, it's Friday. I think we're more likely just to continue the trend, so I'm gonna just remain with my bullish bias for as of right now. But we're just consolidating as of right now, to be honest. We do have this high, the high of the day as of right now, that was created during London session. But it looks like if this is the ideal trade of the day, with this move, with that being the high, this being the retracement, and if you were to pull that fib, you see you got this trade at around 6 and around 3:30 in the morning. That could potentially be the real move to push price lower. But if that isn't, then we're gonna see what we could do. Potentially wait for either this high or these highs right here, because these are really clean, to be ran through. If they get ran through, I'm gonna see if there's gonna be a potential short opportunity, and if there's not, then I probably just won't go short at all, because me personally, I couldn't justify buying in this little area right here. Until we get a little bit lower in price, then I'll think about buying. So for example, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pull a fib from the previous day's low to this current day high right up here. So from this low down here, which is yesterday's low, to today's high, I'm gonna look at these fib levels. We have the fib long below the Asian range, but if you look right here, we have this 38.20% level right at 11,700. So that could be a potential move that we see happen. And if you also look on the higher time frame, we got this last down candle before this up move, which is going to be our bullish breaker block. So this area has a lot of confluence, but we need a little bit ways before we fall there. So what I'm also going to look at, I'm going to pull a fib from this Asian session low to this current day high again. As you can see, we have this fib long in confluence with this 38.20% and also 11,700 level. So as of right now, there is a lot of confluence for this area. So this is going to be an area that I just want to watch out for potential trade. It might not happen, but if we come into this area at a specific time, say for example 9:30, 10 o'clock, or 10:30, then it's going to give me more reason to believe that we're probably going to have an expansion. But that's a bullish bias. Something that could also happen, like I said, is we have these fib levels all the way down here. So if price wants to run below the Asian session low, then more than likely we'll probably come down to here. But at that point, I probably won't even be looking to take a trade, just due to the fact that we'll be back in this consolidation. And I'm not trying to get caught on a Friday in a bad trade. Just no point of it. So we're gonna see. Right now, I'm just waiting. We have about 15 minutes until the open. So we're gonna see. I think price is gonna drop at the open. So around 11,700, I think I'll be looking for a potential trade opportunity. But I'm also looking at the fact that we have these lows to get cleared at this 38.20% level, and then we have this fair value gap right under it also. So that is something I'm watching. There also is one in here and right down here too, but this one's a little bit cleaner right below these lows. But we'll see. Only time will tell. We're right at 11,800 also too. That's why we have all this consolidation. A lot of orders being put into the market. Now look at that Ethereum, guys. I'm telling you, if this pushes the way I'm expecting it to, I got a really good price. It's crazy. I'm trying to see it come to around 1278, 1290. I want to see it cross these highs, and from that point, then I'm gonna expect it to probably retrace. But I don't want to see it retrace yet, though. But yeah, as of right now, this is our high of the day. So I am just being mindful of what I have. So there could be a potential London continuation, like I said, where this just keeps dropping and doesn't go any higher, or we'll have this drop, clear all these lows, accumulate a little bit more, maybe at a certain time, and then I'm gonna look to go long. Simple as that. Just being patient. I'm not gonna look to really take a trade today that I don't need to. Let's look at US 32. Let's go over here. I don't know why US 30. I might try to change this chart because this liquidity feed is trash. Okay, this one works, but get rid of that. Because before I couldn't use it. Does the Asian session range work on it? Alright, bet it's not broken. Shit, finally. Alright, but so let's get the previous day's highs and lows. Same thing we do with NAS. We're gonna do a US 30. Nothing changes. Previous day's low. Then we're gonna get the 12 a.m. open, which is this up candle right there. And then as of right now, it's looking like a very similar situation. But right now, as you can see, we have this low of the day. Never mind. I gotta fix this. Hold on. Why is it here? Interesting. I see there's always something. Hold on. can't change it. Alright, you know what? I'm gonna just do this because I don't got time for this. Right here. There we go. Whatever. The indicator is C. There's always something with this shit. That means this is wrong too. Is it? Right here. Yeah, the Asian session is wrong too. Alright, don't worry about anything I just did in the past like 3 minutes. I knew it was looking a little bit off. Alright, there we go. Now we got the previous day's high, previous day's low. We're gonna get the real Asian session range, which is gonna be this range right here. Okay, and then we're gonna get the real 12 a.m. open, which is going to be this up candle right here. So as we can see, it's doing a very similar thing. So I'm just gonna be looking for very similar things. Simple as that. I'm gonna be looking for a retracement. Is this high broke higher than it? Yeah, but it looks like it's gonna keep on higher right now. I'm simply gonna look for a retracement. So I'm either gonna pull a fib from this Asian session low and wait for that retracement. So something like this preferably. But I gotta watch to see what price it does right here because it looks like it's gonna try to clear these highs. So if it does, I'm gonna have to just wait for this fib. But that's really it. And we can also see that 31,000 is right here. So more than likely this is gonna get tapped into. If not now, then soon for sure. Let me get this down. So we got 31,000 up there. So we're probably gonna reach for that level more than likely. So let me get the eye. But simply, I'm just gonna wait for a pullback. And if I don't get it, oh, it is what it is. We're gonna be chilling today. I ain't looking to force a trade. Whatever happens, happens. I'm up already with Ethereum for the day. Yeah, look at Ethereum. Man, that 900 was a great entry, guys. If you got in, good shit, boy. We holding for these highs right now. And then from there, if you guys want, you could take something off because you'll still be up a little bit on your money. You'll be up maybe about 35–40%. I got in at 916. So if I get up to here, I'll be up about 40%, yeah. Which is good money, man. In about 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks. Great money. Yeah, Walt, if you're watching, that 750 to 700 area does look nice, but I don't know how I feel about getting that at 750. It's potential. Yeah, it's looking like it's trying to push right now. We're gonna see what happens. What's up with y'all boys? Y'all doing good? Doing good on this fine Friday. Yeah, we got about 8 minutes, 5 minutes around there. My time's actually wrong. So we have about 5 minutes until the open. We're gonna see what happens. I think we're gonna get a push, in my opinion. We might just keep on pushing. If we do, probably just call it a day. If we just really starts to reach for like 11,900, at that point, I'll probably be done and we'll probably just keep trending. But if we have a pullback, I'll look to go long. But yeah, guys, if you aren't already, make sure you join the Telegram, because if you ever look at me just looking at it, probably know why. Yeah, he's in GU longs. Thorough. I want to see price come lower first. In my opinion, I can't justify getting in right now. It wouldn't make sense. And it looks like we're rejecting. We might try to stay below this previous day's high. In my opinion, it could be even a false break. Let me look at it on a higher time frame. It looks like we're gonna have a pullback, potentially to fill in these levels. We have a lot of fair value gaps. Yeah, right here we have this fair value gap that I want to see get filled. Right in here. I'm not looking to go long up here. Down here is where I'm looking to go long. I'm gonna change this fair value gap to this one. Here, let me get close and make this really clean. Put that there. That there. That's the fair value gap on the hour time frame. So I'm gonna go back to the 15-minute. And as you can see, that fair value gap is right in there with that fib. So in my opinion, price could hold these levels up here and go higher, but I want it to come lower, and that's where I'm looking to go long. And if it doesn't, well, it is what it is, and it goes to the races without me. This is what I'm waiting for right here. If it keeps pushing and going as high as it does, then I'll probably just be done for the day. Yeah, I think it's open. Looks like it's gonna push. We might even get a false break scenario potentially. Something like this maybe. That could be what it's trying to do. What you could do is just watch it on a lower time frame in that area. Right now it is rejecting, cleared. these short-term highs over here. Didn't clear the London high though. Yeah, it looks like it's rejecting, but it's open. You know how usually whipsaws. There we go. What you guys could do now, if you want. I don't know how risk reward will look, but if you wanted to wait for a break of structure, when we break down, wait for that pullback to go lower. That's a potential short. You wouldn't do it yet though, because price didn't break any structure. But that's if you guys want to go short. I don't know where you would really target. Maybe these lows if you get a good risk reward. But right now it looks like it still wants to go higher. So let's just wait, see what happens after the open. There it goes. Reach for this high. Now let's see how we react. We might have a reaction at 31,000 over there too. So I'm gonna see what happens. If this just keeps pushing, then it is what it is. But I want to see lower time frame false break action. If not, then I'm done for the day. Cause this is reaching right now. Yeah, we're at 31,000 over here. I'm gonna start watching US 30, seeing how this is moving. And we also got this short-term high to the left right here. That's about to reach for also. Damn, yeah. NASA's flying. I'm gonna watch lower time frames on US 30. I don't know how I feel about NAS. In my opinion, I feel like it might as well reach for 900 at this point. Yeah, we're not even staying above 850. You might as well go to around 900 at that point. Oh, yeah, right now it's not looking like anything. Only thing I could justify would be looking for shorts. Going for a long right now is not, wouldn't make sense to me. Do we have any news? Maybe at 10? Yeah, we have news at 10. That could be the remaining factor. So I might just wait for 10 o'clock. See what happens back then. But yeah, this is what I was talking about with the fib, that I'm probably gonna have to move it. So I'm gonna just have to delete it for now. Yeah, nah, US 30 looks like it wants to drop, but NAS is in a weird spot right now. Timing isn't really. It's 9:30. It's still around that time, but I want to see US 30 is looking a little bit better than NAS in my opinion. NAS would be only justified with about 25-point stop loss in my opinion. Cause anything more than that is just not worth it. When you're doing these scalps like this with these reversals, I'd rather have a smaller stop loss because you're more than likely going to take more losses. So it's better just to keep it short. But right now, it does look like we might have this chance of dropping. The only thing is, if you guys are looking to go short anywhere with NAS right now, or even with what is it? Hold on, why is my chart not on NAS? Hold on, it's just a chart there. Alright, but if you're looking to go short anything with NAS, it's just hard because your stop loss placement is going to be your main concern right now. Even with right here on US 30, it's the same thing. You don't really know where you're going to have it. You would just have to go to higher time frames, look for where these candles are. But right now, if you look on US30, there is a fair value gap right in here. And if we start to have a reaction in here, I think this would be a good reason for it to want to fall. We already are rejecting. What about NAS? I don't know. Yeah, that US30 fair value gap is different. So what I'm gonna do, that same trade I was gonna get on US30, I'm thinking I might try to take on NAS. Matter of fact, let me see, look for US30. All right, I'm going short on US30. NAS is, I'm not liking the way it looks. This fair value gap being filled is just perfect. Yeah, I'm gonna have a 30-point stop loss. I'm in at 31.21. 31.21 plus 30, 30.51. 31.51. That's my stop loss. 31.21 is where I got in. So let me change the short position. That's not really the pricing. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I gotta fix it because FTMO is different. All right, we about to hit TP1. Yeah, right here, and this is the trade. All right, we're at TP1 though. Oh yeah. Hold on, I need to put something in the background right now. Hold on, I'm muting myself, guys. Yeah, I'm just waiting for this to come a little bit lower. I want to take a partial, but I'm looking to take a partial with a certain percentage, so I'm waiting for it. But we did hit TP2, so this is a successful trade. If you aren't already, make sure you break even. And if you aren't already, make sure you look to take a partial somewhere. Right now, I'm a little bit above TP2, so I'm waiting for it to slightly come lower so that I can hit it and then take my partial. I'm ideally looking for it to clear these short-term lows on a 1 minute time frame right here, and that's where I'm gonna clear. That's when I'm gonna take my target. Right there. Be a risk-free trade. Nice little 60-point trade. Right now we're having a retracement, so, but I still want to see it come below that low, and I don't think it's gonna fly up right now. If it does, that'll be a sad day for me. But I do want to see at least clear this low. Damn, don't tell me we're gonna retrace already, bruv. This was a fast retracement, but we'll see. We might just retesting 31,000. Ooh, I don't know. Nas is pushing. It's a risky one. Come on, I just want to see it clear this low. Don't push. Don't push. I don't know. We're real bullish right now, boys. But we are in this area at 11,900, but we'll see. Just hold to your target, boys. Hold till your target. I could have took my partial with a little bit of less than what I would have made, but I need to make a certain percentage for each trade, so that's why I'm risking this whole trade. But that's what comes with it, with discipline sometimes. It sucks, but for me to be at a certain where I want to be equity-wise growing, I need to be taking a certain partial up, and then sometimes it comes back in the butt and fucks you, just like this. Damn. Well, ain't that disappointing. But yeah, that's very disappointing. Yeah, Nas is pushing. Damn, that was a nice little short-term trade, guys. If you would have took your partial, you would have been good. Surprisingly, it didn't stop me out. It was like barely tapped it because my stop loss is here. Hey, if it comes back below 31,000, we good, but I don't know. We'll see. I already came to the conclusion this trade is an L, so I'm done for the day and done for the week, guys, if this doesn't just drop. So with that being said, it was an okay day. This trade idea right here was good, but I wanted it just to come a little bit lower just so I could take my partial, but can't get what you want sometimes. Just get what the market gives you. Yeah, we'll see what happens, but I'm pretty sure this trade is gonna keep going higher. If it doesn't, well then that will be a good day. But if it does, it is what it is. Disappointing, but ain't nothing I can do about it. Ethereum's pushing past 1,200 now. Good shit. Come on, keep dropping. Come on, just drop. Yeah, just drop. Come on. 5-minute wicks. 5-minute wick. Come on, just turn into a wick. Keep going lower. But I need this. Nah, Nas isn't looking like it wants to come lower, bro. That's my only thing. Nas doesn't look like it wants to come lower. This looks like it kind of does, but I don't like this high right here. We're likely gonna get ran. If not now, then after we fill in maybe these gaps. Yeah, this isn't looking good. Rest in peace. This trade is not gonna win, guys. I could tell. Just off the wicks. Part of me just wants to take this small L, but I want to at least get out. Break even. Never mind. Yeah, break even. It's not happening now. This trade was very disappointing. Very, very disappointing. So close, but so far. So close, but so far. Sad day. Come on, keep dropping. They're doing opposites. Yeah, my stop loss is too close. It's gonna clear these highs. If it still wants to fall, it's probably gonna come up, fill in the whole gap now before falling. I feel like that is more likely to happen than me going in full profit from this drop right here. It could happen, but from experience, I don't think that's very likely. Just look, we're holding above 31,000, not below either. Come on. I'm gonna just try to get out this trade, not gonna lie. I'm trying to get out at break even, but it's not coming low enough. It's right there. There's a little wick to the downside. That's all I need. Or to the upside. Damn, Nas is still pushing. Nas is what's keeping this up right now. Whatever's keeping Nas up is keeping this up. And it's very disappointing. Yeah, it's gonna be runs for this trade. I'm just trying to get out at break even at this point. But if I take the L, I already came to the conclusion that it was a loss anyway. Yeah, that closure. It's gone. Well, one trade and we done. Oh, unless this drops. Because Nas wants to drop. Oh, that, yeah, my neck. Got my neck. Almost had me for a second. Thought I was actually going to have a chance. Yeah, even Ethereum looks like it's about to have a drop. Still in it. This is why I use a mental stop loss a lot of times, guys, because look at this fucking manipulation, bro. It's just crazy. 1, 2, 3. 3 times in this little area. But there goes Nas. Come on. I just need this to follow. Still has a chance to keep going lower, so we'll see. So buy still sticks. We're still in the guys. Don't do that, Nas. Don't do that. Come on, you a sturdy? What are you doing? This wants to go higher, man. As much as I want to see it drop, Nas wants to drop now, but now you a sturdy wants to consolidate. Now wants to push. Damn. Ain't that some shit? Yeah, the way these be moving sometimes. Yeah, there it goes. Oh. Damn. Another wick? Or are you gonna keep pushing and sign me up? Alright, what you gonna do, bruv? You keep turning into a wick. Keep turning into a wick, bruv. Yeah, I don't know. Right now, like Walt said in my chat, these indices right now are something else. Did that just close? Oh no, I thought it closed like that. Oh, the 1 minute did close. Damn, bro. Yeah, and there it goes. There it goes. Well. Well, that's disappointing. Such a good trade, but just didn't come to the target, bro. That's what I'm saying with these reversals, bro. If I would have had a 50-point stop loss, I wouldn't even hit TP1, bro. Not even TP1. Yeah, today ended up trending like I said it potentially could do. It is what it is. I couldn't justify any buys from here, so I went for the short, took the loss. It is what it is. We'll be back next week. Yeah, this is trending. Not much trade opportunities unless you just would have got in at 9 o'clock or to open. Then there wasn't really much to do in this area besides consolidation. So it is what it is. There's still probably going to be a drop. I don't know when, but we'll see. Right now, everything's just bullish. No pullbacks, no nothing. So we'll be back next week. So on that note,